Hi, my name is Wandia. I'm a digital media aficionado, which means I love to geek out on all things digital. Today, I want to show you how to add a stream to your TweetDeck so you can see maybe some specific information or stream from a specific account. And it's very simple. All you need to do is go into your TweetDeck account, and I'm going to show this from my web-based TweetDeck account, and click Add Column. I can make it so I want the specific column to be about @mentions of me, for example. My account is wandia.info, and so I can say I want to find out everything that is sent out to wandia.info. Just simply click enter. Click on that button so it shows up over here, and I can click add column, close, and now I have this column right here that's all specifically of mentions to me. I hope that tip was helpful. If you need additional information, feel free to reach me at www.wandia.info.